This is Chapter 4, City Promotion Cards, Stage 4. We're working on transform multiple layers at one time. Make sure the Boulevard file is active. Click to select the uppermost layer and then choose File, Place Embedded, and place the Market JPEG. When it appears on screen, go ahead and place Enter to finalize the placement, or you can select the check mark. Do this again, File, Place Embedded, and you're going to place the Rochambeau JPEG. And one more time. To place the shops. In the Layers panel, shift-click to select the Rochambeau and Market layers as well. Choose your Move tool. With all three layers selected in the Layers panel, click inside the Inset Image area and drag to move the placed layer to the empty area in the bottom right corner. You can center it under your text. With all three layers still selected, choose Edit, Free Transform, and in the option bar, change the Rotate field to 3 degrees. Press Enter to finalize that. In the Layers panel, click to select only the Shops layer. With the Shops layer selected, choose Layer, Layer Style, Drop Shadow. In the dialog box, change the opacity to 50%. The angle should be 45 degrees. The distance should be 50 pixels. Spread should be 5%. Size should be 50 pixels. And if there's a different color besides black, you're going to change your color setting to black. Click OK to apply the layer style. Press the Alt key and click the Effects listing in the Layers panel and drag it to the Rochambeau layer and again to the Market layer. In the Layers panel, click the arrow buttons to collapse the applied effect settings for each of those layers. Save your file. Then click the eye icons for the Rochambeau layer and the Shops layer to hide them. Open the Layer Comps panel by going to Window, Layer Comps. Click the Create New Layer Comp button at the bottom of the panel and name this one Boulevard Market. Make sure the visibility option is checked and then select OK. Hide the Market layer and turn on the Rochambeau layer. Add a new layer comp named Boulevard Rochambeau. And the same for the Shops layer. We're going to export all of these. Go to File, Export, Layer Comps to File. In the dialog box, make sure that your folder is selected. Delete the text in the file name prefix field. Choose JPEG for file type and select Run. Dismiss the alert. You can then save and close your files. Close your files, and then with no file open in Photoshop, you're going to reset the color settings. Go into Edit and find the color settings and set your settings back to North America General Purpose 2 and click OK. So that there is no confusion, there are 5 files that you're going to be turning in. You're going to be turning in the 3 comps for the Boulevard file, the Boulevard file itself, as well as the festival file that you completed.